Okay, so now open the other car manager script, delete the start and update method. Here, write serialized field private game object called active cars. Duplicate this line and rename this one to unactive cars. Now create a serialized field private array of game object called car array. Create another serialized field private integer called initial car numbers and set this to 50 for now. Now we need a public float, call this one a car frequency. Add another public float called reverse car frequency. Now set a range in both variables between 0 to 1. Save the script and open the Unity. Now select the other car manager and first drag the active car object and unactive car object. Now set the car frequency to somewhere around 0.225 and reverse car frequency to 0.063. You don't need to copy these values. Just play the game and test it. Now see, at the top right corner, there is a lock icon. Simply click on this icon. Now go to the other car prefab folder and select all the cars and drag it into the car array. Now make sure to unlock this tab lock, otherwise you would be worried why I can't see other objects properties.